Alright, so part 2 of trying to see if I can swap out the core on a 90A-Pro with a PL410-Pro, both from Paclock obviously, but yeah, the PL410-Pro, which is this here. I dumped the pins in one that I had, which the parts are in here. So I think I have this ready to go. Still just very nervous about this. And of course, having tons of coffee isn't going to help. All right. And I don't want to... dump the pins again. Oh, so if you turn... Okay. Alright, so I think if I keep it... Oh, I gotta take this key out. Alright. Now what I want to do is just to secure this a little bit. Just want to put something over that. That way, that stays good. Oh, you know what? I wanted to check to make sure that it's even the same. I think we're good. I think it's the same thing. So let's see how that goes. Now, moment of truth. I gotta think about this. Shoot, should have paid more attention to how that came out. I think this is the hardest part, in my opinion. I think it'll fit. Oh. hate this part. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, wait. There we go. Does it need to close? Oh, crap. I think it works. Sorry, I'm so shaky. I got. Oh, come on. So the key pins in the PL410-Pro, actually, there was 3 out of the 7 that had serrated pins. So I thought that was interesting. I don't know what's my. Oh, come on. Alright, well, I'm never using this thing again. Alright, I think. Oh, come on. I think that's a wrap. Holy crap. Look at that. Alright, so a PL410-Pro core will go into a 90A-Pro, and what's cool about that is that it's actually, I think, I don't know, I want to say it's going to be a little harder because of those serrated key pins. So really excited to check that out. All right, hopefully I'll make a video about it.